Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. Today I'm going to do a short video of our brand new 2025 Forest River Grey Wolf, and this is the 23 MK travel trailer. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see if you like it. Alright, starting up front, you've got two 20-pound propane tanks with a cover, along with an electric tongue jack. Water heater is right in the front corner here. That is an on-demand water heater. You've got stabilizer jacks down below. Outside shower on this side, along with your freshwater and city water connections. Black and gray tank dumps there. One slide out on the 23 MK. Nice big window in the back. There's a backup camera up top, along with a cargo rack and a spare tire with a cover. Electric awning with blue LED lighting underneath. Outside speakers. And then you've also got an outside refrigerator, ice maker, and another outside shower on this side. And then storage up front here. Solar charge controller right around the corner there for your solar panel, which this Grey Wolf is equipped with the juice pack, so it has an installed solar panel on the roof already. As you walk in, your control panel is to your right, which has your master light switches along with your slide out and electric awning button. Couch along the back, which will fold flat into a bed if you need it to. You've got an outlet on each side. And then U-shaped dinette slide. That'll go down into a bed as well. You've got fireplace and then TV location with hookups there. 12-volt refrigerator. Microwave down below, 3-burner. And lots of storage up above. Nice big sink, does come with the cup washer right there. Plenty of floor space. Walk-through bathroom. So huge bathroom area. Another sink in here. Tons of storage. Fantastic fan in the bathroom. Skylight in the shower. Then we've got queen bed up front with even more storage. You have one inverted outlet right here, so you can run 110 power off the battery if needed. And another spot for a TV in the corner there. Plenty of walk around room around the bed here. You have outlet on this side along with USB plug-ins as well. I'll do one more walk around here. Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2025 Forest River Grey Wolf 23 MK travel trailer, call or text at 218-229-7816. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.